Are you tired of fumbling for your glasses to read your cell phone or menu at a restaurant? Here to tell us about advances in vision for cataracts patients is Dr. Robert McCulloch. He is with Horizon Eye Specialists Lasik Center. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
All right, Symfony. Tell us about this new treatment.
New technology, been waiting for this almost 10, 15 years now. This new lens will allow us to see far, intermediate, close, everywhere in between.
All right, so before, when we were getting LASIK surgery, it was only doing what?
Well, we had LASIK surgery, and typically we have that between around 20 and 40. We're really just fixing our distance vision. But as time goes on, we lose our close vision. So that cell phone, which is so important, all of a sudden we can't see that without finding our reading glasses. So now, as time goes on, we get a little older, our natural lenses get cloudy. We're going to take those cloudy lenses out. We have choices what lenses we can put back in. We can put the insurance lenses in. They work pretty well, but they fix our vision. It's going to be either distance or just intermediate or just close. But we have to fix our distances, and we're stuck with them. This new lens, new technology.
I mean, it's notable advances.
It's much better. Everything gets fixed. We can fix distance, intermediate, close, all the ranges in between. We call that extended range of vision.
That's perfect.
And the new Symfony lens is the lens that helps us do that.
So walk us through the treatment.
Well, basically you'll come in for measurements, and there are special measurements that allow us to design the surgery to get it right. Because we don't want to just do something and then wear glasses. We're trying to fix everything. So we come in for special measurements. Those measurements typically are upgrades. They're part of a package deal. We measure. We take the cataract out at our surgery center. Then we measure again. Why the cataract's gone, this is high technology. We put that new lens in. We measure that new lens and make sure that works. And once that works, then we know everything's set, and the next day, typical patients are 20/20, and they're reading their cell phone.
Oh my goodness, and a lot of patients, I'm sure, have shared with you, the halos are gone, and all of the other side effects that often came with the old way of doing
That's exactly right. These lenses are so much better. They're a step above, and they fix everything. Ideally, they're for patients between about 50 and up. That's the ideal spot for those patients, and it works extremely well for them.
Only been in the U.S., not even a full year yet, so are you still learning how this works?
Well, at the Horizon Eye Specialists, we have put more of these lenses in than anywhere else in the southwestern United States, so we already have a lot of experience, and our patients are very satisfied.
I know you've been waiting on this.
Oh,
big advances.
I have been waiting for myself on this. I love this. This is good technology.
So when someone comes in for this treatment, how long will they be from start to finish? How long will the entire treatment take?
They have to do their measurements. The actual treatment is about 7 or 8 minutes. It's pretty quick.
Wow, it is fast.
And it is at a surgery center. It's an outpatient. And we do one eye at a time, typically. And then they'll come back and get checked. So it's a couple days downtime. But back to their normal activity. There's no restrictions. They really can do pretty much whatever they want to do very quickly.
You guys are always on the cutting edge. When I was visiting you last time, you were on the cutting edge. How important is that for you to make sure that you're always out there with state-of-the-art?
You know, I think you don't want to be too far ahead because you can make mistakes, but you want to really be in a nice sweet spot where you have the good technology, it's well proven, and we already know what patients that'll work well for. So we're not guessing, we're not experimenting. We want to find those ideal patients that it works really well for. All of us are different.
Right.
We are quite different, and it's really up to your surgeon to help you make good decisions, and that's what we try to do here.
And Symfony, if we're not a good candidate, you will recommend?
Oh, there's other things we can do. So there's still LASIK, other things, but this lens, there's no one perfect lens for everybody, but we can find one lens that does well for just about anybody.
And you guys offer it all here, which is nice.
Absolutely.
Which is nice.
Yes.
All right, well, if you're ready to toss the readers for good, let's give you some contact information. Horizon Eye Specialists Lasik Center, they have a special offer for you this morning. If you call now, you are going to save $300 on your LASIK procedure. They are located at 18325 North Allied Way, Suite 100 in Phoenix. Give them a call, 602-467-4966, or visit their website, horizonlaservision.com.